Perhaps this video is the answer to your prayers. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the subconscious mind, the unseen force that significantly shapes our lives. It's like the backstage director of our personal play, influencing our actions, especially when we've set a plan. Have you ever wondered why, despite having a clear plan and knowing what needs to be done, you find yourself ensnared in the cobwebs of old habits, hindering you from executing your plans? The culprit is often your subconscious mind. If its programming is not in sync with your goals, it can act as a roadblock, obstructing your path to success. The subconscious mind is powerful, but it's also like a garden. The seeds you plant, the thoughts and beliefs you cultivate will eventually bloom into your reality. So, to ensure our thoughts turn into reality, we need to align our subconscious mind with our goals. But how can we do that? This brings us to the three pillars of manifestation: positive thoughts, feelings, and actions. You see, positive thinking alone isn't a magic formula to manifest our desires. It's part of a larger, more complex equation. Alongside positive thoughts, we also need to cultivate positive feelings and, more importantly, take positive actions. These three elements are inseparable, and together they form the foundation of manifestation. Imagine a time when you achieved something easily, almost effortlessly. Perhaps it was a project that you completed ahead of schedule, or a personal goal that you surpassed without breaking a sweat. When you reflect on these moments, you'll likely find that your thoughts, feelings, and actions were all in alignment. You thought positively about the task at hand, you felt good about your ability to complete it, and you took the necessary steps to make it happen. This is the power of the three pillars in action. When your thoughts, feelings, and actions are harmoniously aligned, you're in the perfect position to manifest your desires. You're not just wishing for things to happen, you're actively participating in the creation of your own reality. So, as you move forward on your journey of manifestation, remember to cultivate not just positive thoughts, but also positive feelings and actions. They are the three inseparable pillars that support your dreams and desires. Remember, friends, I would like to remind you to visit my website ariesandi.com to get a variety of free programs to empower your subconscious mind. As we reach the end of this enlightening journey, let's remember the immense power our subconscious mind holds. It's like the unseen hand shaping our reality. The key is alignment, your thoughts, feelings, and actions all moving in sync towards your goals. Keep in mind, it's not just about positive thinking, but also positive feeling and positive action. Imagine achieving your desires with ease, joy, and minimal effort. Harness this power, make it your ally. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been beneficial for you.